Unlocking the meaning, time off, in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss: the phrase, time off. Many learners find this phrase a bit confusing, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it. So, let's dive right in. Time off is a phrase that we often use in English to refer to a period when someone is not working or not engaged in their regular duties. This can be due to a variety of reasons such as vacation, sickness, personal matters, or any other situation where a person takes a break from work. For example, I am taking some time off next week to go on a vacation. She needs some time off to recover from her illness. In these examples, time off indicates a pause or a break from regular work or activities. Time off can be used in both formal and informal settings. In a formal setting, you might find it in official documents or during discussions about work and employment. In an informal setting, people might use it when talking about their plans for vacation or a break. Formal context: the employee is entitled to 2 weeks of paid time off per year. Informal context: I can't wait to take some time off and just relax at home. There are several phrases in English that have a similar meaning to time off. Some of these include vacation time, specifically used when referring to a break for leisure or travel. Break, a general term for a short period of rest or relief. Leave of absence, a formal way to describe an extended period away from work, often used for medical or personal reasons. When using the phrase, time off, it's important to pay attention to the context. Avoid using it in a way that might confuse the listener or reader about the duration or reason for the break. Be clear and specific when necessary. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to understanding and using the phrase, time off, in English. We hope this video has cleared up any confusion and that you now feel more confident using this phrase in your daily conversations and writings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.